Hello everyone, today I'll be sharing with you how I make alfajores. The ingredients are listed below. Start by making dulce de leche by submerging a can of condensed milk and boiling it for 3 hours. Make sure to cool it down completely before opening it. This will be the filling of the alfajores. To make the cookies, in a bowl, combine all-purpose flour followed by cornstarch and confectioner sugar. Then stir it to mix everything. Then transfer it into a flat surface, followed by butter, and knead it until it becomes a dough. Once the dough is completely homogenized and it's not sticking to the surface, make sure to cover it with a cling wrap and refrigerate until it's set. After 10 to 15 minutes, remove it from the refrigerator and transfer it into a wax paper using a rolling pin to flatten it in your desired thickness. Once done, use a cookie cutter to mold the cookies. Don't forget to preheat the oven for 180 degrees before putting the cookies in a baking tray and baking it for 15 to 20 minutes until it's set. After 15 to 20 minutes, remove the cookies and cool it down completely before putting the filling. Once it cools down completely, using the back of the spoon, get a generous amount of dulce de leche and put it at the bottom of the cookie. And make sure to sandwich another cookie and repeat the process until all your cookies are done. You may also use desiccated coconut to cover the sides of the cookies, but this is optional. You may also sprinkle confectionery sugar on top of it. Enjoy!